Unit 8, targets 3 and 4, homework number 21. Plotted the 3 points. This triangle looks to be acute, so the orthocenter is going to be on the inside of the triangle. You don't need to remember where all the orthocenters and different points of concurrency lie. That's just answering it because that's what the question asks. We're not going to ask you that on the test. To find the coordinates of the orthocenter, we need to draw all the altitudes. I'm going to start at, what point is that? C. I need to label my points. So A is at -4, 0, B is at 1, 0, and C is at -1, 3. I'm going to start at C because that's the easiest. My altitude is going to go straight down through segment AB. That's perpendicular. Vertical is going to be perpendicular to the horizontal. Then I'm going to look at segment AC. Segment AC has a slope of 1. We can see that on the graph. It's going up 3 over 3, which means that when I draw my altitude from the point across from that segment, B, I'm going to use a slope of -1. So from a vertex, slope of -1 looks like that. And so it looks like my orthocenter is at the point -1, 2. Again, the process is to find the slope of the line across from the vertex you're using. So for example, the slope of BC, or CB, doesn't matter, is -3 over 2. Okay, that's going to be highlighted in green. Point A is across from there, so from point A, the altitude is going to have a slope that is the opposite reciprocal of -3/2, which equals +2/3. So from A, I'm going to go up 2 over 3, and that becomes my altitude from A. And so I can see that the orthocenter is inside the triangle at -1, 2.